Looking for an HDMI cable that delivers crisp picture quality and clear audio without the hassle of multiple wires? The QualGear 3-foot HDMI cable with Ethernet might just be the upgrade your home theater or gaming setup needs. Designed to handle Ultra HD 4K signals with ease, this cable promises smooth streaming and reliable connections every time. What sets this cable apart? It's built with 100% oxygen-free copper and features thick 28 Aruban fluorines bare copper wires, allowing bandwidths up to 18 gigabits per second. That means faster, more stable data transfer for stunning visuals and flawless sound. Plus, its 24K gold-plated contacts improve signal clarity and resist corrosion, so your connection stays strong over time. The triple shielding guards against electromagnetic interference, reducing noise and keeping your audio and video crisp and clean. At just 3 feet long, this cable is flexible and easy to manage, perfect for tight spaces or connecting devices without excess slack. I put this cable to the test with various devices, from my Ultra HD 4K TV and Blu-ray player to gaming consoles and streaming boxes like Apple TV and Roku. Each time, it worked flawlessly, delivering vibrant images and clear audio without dropouts or lag. The support for HDMI 2.0b standards means it's future-proof and backward compatible with older HDMI versions, so you won't need to replace your other gear. Plus, the built-in Ethernet and audio return channel (ARC) support means fewer cables cluttering your setup, simplifying your entertainment center. If you're someone who values both quality and convenience, this cable is worth a look. It's affordable without sacrificing performance, and the durability means it will hold up even in demanding setups like security camera systems. The flexibility and shielding make it ideal for both home theaters and professional AV configurations. QualGear also offers this HDMI cable in longer lengths, 6 feet, 10 feet, even up to 100 feet, so you can choose the perfect fit for your space. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or building a new one, this cable provides dependable, high-speed connections you can count on. Ready to enhance your audio and video experience with a cable that works as hard as you do? Try the QualGear 3-foot HDMI cable with Ethernet when you're ready. It's a simple upgrade that brings clear benefits, better picture, pure sound, and less clutter. Give your devices the connection they deserve.